good day, ma'am. My name is Alisa Sango. So, I choose the article Human Rights is article No Torture. So, I will discuss the no torture. Is no torture is a human. No torture is means that no person should ever be hurt, abused, or made to suffer on purpose, no matter the reason, not even during war, interrogation, or punishment. It is a core of human right that protects everyone's dignity and humanity. Human right exists because torture violates human dignity, corrupts justice, and erodes humanity. It is a moral and legal foundation for any fair and human society. For example, in school or institutions, so teachers and staff cannot use harsh punishment or physical harm to control students. Discipline must be fair and respectful. So next, history of no torture. Torture was common for punishment or confessions. 70s takers like Beccaria said it was cruel. Countries began banning it. So after the World War II, 1945, global laws against torture were created, starting with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So, 1984, the UN Convention Against Torture made it completely illegal worldwide. So, torture is a banned of anywhere but some the places. Still, the role on human rights groups work to stop it. So, during the ancient times, the fast torture was widely accepted as a way to punish people, get a confession, or control population. In ancient time, civilization like Greece, Rome, and medieval Europe used the torture during the trials or wars. People believed it was necessary for justice or truth. So next is modern of no torture. So no one should ever hurt or murder or suffer on purpose, no matter the reason, not even during the war, interrogation, or punishment. So for example, police and law enforcement. So officers are trained to question suspect using the ethical methods. So not violence or threats. Being a forcing confession is illegal and considered torture.
Is ever scared he might punch them too?
I was screaming, but he just wouldn't stop.
He always said he would hit me. I just didn't think he actually would.
I don't know what I did, but they just kept on kicking me.
They tied me up and dragged me outside. They stripped me of my dignity.
She said she was going to teach me a lesson.
He said I wasn't listening. I didn't think he'd get so mad.